Hello and welcome. This is question number 9. All right, let's look at it together. The total flying time from London to Singapore via Dubai is 18 hours. All right, I've analyzed that so you can see the question there. Okay, the total flying time from London to Singapore via Dubai is 18 hours, as you can see from the question. We also know that the flight from London to Dubai takes 30% of the flying time. Okay, from London to Dubai, it takes what? 30% of the flying time. And lastly, from the question, we know that the flight from London leaves at 2:10 p.m. At 2:10 p.m. Okay, so the summary of everything we have in the question is what I have here. London to Singapore via Dubai, 18 hours. And then from London to Dubai, it takes 30% of the total flight time. And then the flight leaves London at 2:10 p.m. Okay? All right, so let's go to question A and solve. If Dubai is 4 hours ahead of London time, find in local time the arrival time in Dubai. All right? We have to find the arrival time in Dubai. And we're also told that Dubai is 4 hours ahead. Okay, so first we need to know what is the time spent from London to Dubai. We're only given a percentage, so let's calculate the time. So from London to Dubai, we know it's 30% of the total flying time. So let's say from London to Dubai, that will be 30% of the total flying time, which is 18 hours, right? Okay, so we can divide this by 10. Okay, so 3 times 18, 3 times 8 is 24, right? And 3 times 10 is 30. So 30 plus 24, that is 54. Okay, and that over 10 divided by 10, which is 5.4. Okay, 5.4 hours. All right, so let's convert that to hours and minutes. How do we do that? Okay, we do 0.4 of an hour. All right, and we convert it to minutes. So an hour is 60 minutes, right? So 0.4 of 60 minutes, or we could take it as 4 over 10 of 60 minutes. Okay, and 4 times 6 is 24, right? So that would be 5 hours, 24 minutes. All right, 5 hours, 24 minutes. Okay, if you don't know how to convert from hours to minutes, please check in our playlist on YouTube. Okay, all right, so 5 hours, 24 minutes. That's the time spent from London to Dubai. Okay, and the flight leaves at 2:10 p.m. So we're going to add that. So you have 2:10 plus 5:24. Okay, so let's add that. So you have 4, 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 7. Okay, so that means the plane got to Dubai at 7:34 London time. All right, remember, this is still London time, but we have to find in local time the arrival time in Dubai. So as at 7:34 p.m. in London, the flight has arrived in Dubai. But that's not the time in Dubai. All right, we are told that Dubai time is 4 hours ahead of London. So if it's 4 hours ahead, it means we're going to add 4 to 7:34 p.m. All right, so let's do that. 7:34 p.m. Dubai time now. Dubai. So we have 7:34 p.m. plus 4 hours. All right, so this will be 4, 3, 7 plus 4. That is 11, right? So that is 11:34 p.m. local time in Dubai. So the plane will get to arrive in Dubai at 11:34 p.m. So what have we done? Okay, we have to find the local arrival time in Dubai, right? And then we already know that the flight from London to Dubai is 30% of the total flying time. Okay, so we found 30% of 18 hours, which gave us 5.4 hours, and then we converted the fraction to minutes, 0.4 of 60, which is 4 over 10 times 60 minutes, and that gave us 24 minutes. Okay, that gave us what? 24 minutes. So that's 5 hours and 24 minutes. So knowing that that is the duration of the flight, we added that to the departure time, all right, which is 2:10 p.m. So we did 2:10 p.m. plus 5 hours and 24 minutes, and that gave us 7:34 p.m. All right, but that is London time because we are working with the departure time, London time. All right, now we have to calculate in Dubai time, which is 4 hours ahead. So we added 4 hours to 7:34, and then we got 11:34 p.m., which is the local time of arrival in Dubai. All right, please go over the video again. I believe it's clear. All right, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask in the comment. Thank you. Bye.